wala silang dapat ikahiya dito, Randy.
They were almost there.
Oo. Saka dito sa larong ito, they overhold the 27-point lead at nagka-tie pa dito sa dying seconds of the ballgame.
At ito, Ginebra San Miguel, 4th place. Sabi nga nila, dapat tayo natin mamaya eh. Kaya lang, medyo iba. At ito, Santa Lucia ang awardan. It's Santa Lucia capping 3rd place. And after 5-0 start sa komperensyang to, ito yung kanilang, not really an icing on the cake, but you see Commissioner Jun Bernardino congratulating the players of Santa Lucia.
And to think, Randy, they did it without Jun Limpot. Lalo na siguro kung kumpleto itong kupunan na ito. Ayan, si Jun Limpot na nakasibilyan po dyan, tinataas yung 3rd place trophy. Ang ganda ng trophy.
At yan, at ang Santa Lucia po, nagwagi po sila over Ginebra San Miguel, 111-106.